our third time into this particular woodlot that we own. We're doing a selection cut. So we've already done a 4th row thinning several years ago, and now what we're doing is we're coming in, we're tree marking, and we're selecting the trees as the harvester will cut. So the harvester will travel down a previous cut row and see the marking and take the trees that we've already selected. So the trees that we're selecting, we're looking at spacing. So we're doing 1 and 4 trees. So we're taking about 25% of the woodlot out. And when we do that, what we're doing is we're looking to release the other trees. So we're looking to make bigger trees bigger, and some of our more desirable hardwood species, we're trying to release those as well. So what we have is a really good example here is that we have a black cherry that is starting to come up. It's already a good diameter, several years old, and obviously what we want to do is we want to take the white pine that's next to it, and we've selected that for removal. So what that will do is open up the canopy even more and help release this black cherry, and we'll see sort of an exponential growth with it. So when we're looking at taking 25% of the trees, or 1 and 4, we do have criteria that need to be met with what we're doing. Obviously what we want to do is open up the forest floor so we see that natural hardwood regeneration. But the question is, well, how do we choose the trees that are coming out? We're looking at trees that appear to have defects, perhaps scarring that hasn't healed over, ones that have double leaders that are susceptible to breaking in high winds. And we look at that first, but if we have a clump of trees, say 4 trees, and they're all in really good health, then what we do is we go with spacing, and we take the tree that is going to open up the area the most. And sometimes that could even be the biggest tree there. But what we do is we see a reaction from the 3 trees that we leave, is that we see those trees grow faster, and they will get to the same size as the tree we removed and become bigger over a shorter period of time. And we call that sort of the release, and we're looking at reducing the canopy cover. So again, so we get that sunlight down to the ground, and we start seeing the cherries and the sugar maples coming back up. The forwarder comes and puts everything at a landing area where a log truck will come and pick everything up, take it to a mill. The mill ships it, and then it's all sent for pressure treating. And what they're doing is they're creating 4x4s and 6x6s. That'll be all the pressure treated lumber that you find at your local hardware store.